All right, people. It don't take a whole lot of deep diving to get into this drone thing. I'm just somebody that makes gaming videos on YouTube and stupid comedy videos on YouTube and TikTok. But I did a little semi-deep diving into this subject, and I can pretty well tell you what's going on. Excuse me. Today, on the 18th, the Senate is poised to vote on a significant legislation concerning civilian drone use and about addressing drone-related security threats, and it would empower Homeland Security and the DOJ to disable drones identified as security threats. Also, allow state and local enforcement similar counter-drone abilities. Okay, the Senate is also considering the American Security Drone Act. That's Bill S. 473. They're seeking to enhance drone security measures. Also, I got to read my own writing. Countering CCP Drones Act, that's H.R. 2864, has been introduced in the House. It will mandate investigation into Chinese drone manufacturers such as DJI and Autel Robotics, with the aim of placing them on the FCC covered list. By being placed on this list, it would prevent their use in telecommunication industries. Besides all that, one of our military departments, don't know who, is currently testing new anti-detection tech over some of our cities, states, and other places, which might include around military bases around the world. They're wanting to be visible with the lights on and everything, yet testing abilities of anti-detection. That's all that's going on. They're creating a few kind of like an outrage that nobody seems to know what's going on. It's going to help get some of these bills passed. That's all that's going on, folks. Y'all calm down. There's so many dadgum theories going around about UAPs and UFOs and adversarial drones and this and that. Come on, man. Just do a little diving into the subject. It's our government testing things and trying to pass laws to put more restrictions on civilian drone activity. That's all it is. And I'm just somebody with a simple computer degree from the 1980s and finished up in 1990. That's all that's going on. All right, thanks.